Looking for an alternative to Instapage landing page builder? Check out Marcom Robot. You'll be pleased with the UI that looks and feels great. Enjoy the most advanced real-time landing page analytics, heat maps showing you the on-page visitor behavior, modern landing page templates, AI-powered A/B tests, and other features. What's even better is that Marcom Robot is much more affordable than Instapage. In fact, for some of the Instapage customers, Marcom Robot can become a free alternative. Compared to legacy landing page builders like Unbounce, Instapage, Leadpages, or HubSpot, Marcom Robot's got a ton of technological advantages. But our killer feature is shared components and styles. See, with legacy builders, every time you create a new page, you start from scratch. If all you need is just a handful of landing pages, that's probably okay. But if you're looking to create a scalable landing page system with shared forms, building blocks, fonts, and colors, where you can build new pages in minutes, Marcom Robot is the only landing page builder that can do that for you. So, why are you still paying more for Instapage? If you're contemplating switching, the best time is now. Contact our team and learn about our swap programs for Instapage customers. Visit marcomrobot.com/Instapage to learn more.